Hello, my dear students. How are you all? Hope you are fine at home and doing really well at home. So, today, what we are going to do, we are going to revise our syllabus that we have done till now. Okay, so please take out your maths book, that is Hands on Mathematics, and I am Mrs. Neha Nanda, and I am your maths developer. So, please take out your maths book, everyone. Everyone, please take out your maths book. So, we are going to revise till module. Which module we have done? Till which module we have done our work? Till module 12. So we are going to revise till module 12, which consists of the numbering, that is numbers, then forward and backward counting, and then greater than and less than. So whenever we are talking about the forward counting or backward counting means we are going one step back. We are going one step back. If I'm talking about 69 and I have to go backward counting, so I will write 68, then 67, then 66. So this is a backward counting, going in a backward direction, one step back. What is a forward counting? When we are adding plus 1. Backward counting means minus 1. We are subtracting 1 from each number. 69 minus 1, 68. 68 minus 1, 67. 67 minus 1, 66. This is the backward counting. And forward counting, the normal counting that you do, that is 1 to 100. So plus 1. We are adding 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. So our counting depends upon plus 1. Okay. So forward counting means plus 1. And backward counting means minus 1. Backward counting means minus 1. You have to keep this in your mind. Whenever we are talking about backward counting, we always do minus 1. And whenever we are talking about forward counting, we always do plus 1. Okay? Yes or no? Okay, everyone. So you can see here on page number 12, we have done this module and we have completed it very nicely. So in module 8 on page number 12, we are just revising it. So 100 minus 199, 99 minus 198, 98 minus 1 97. So backward counting means we are subtracting 1. Then 96, then 95, then 94, then 93, then 92. So this is the backward counting. Getting this point? Yes or no? Okay. Then the greater than and less than. There was some mistake in the homework. So I want to correct that mistake here. So you have to see on the screen. If I'm writing numbers 79 and 86, so which number is more greater than or which number is less than? Crocodile mouths or alligator's mouths will open towards which direction? Which number, 79 or 86? 86, good answer. But few of you have done 79. Why? Because you have seen this number. Whenever we are doing greater than or less than, we always seize the number from tens place value. When you will do hundreds place value, when you will write 112, and then you will write 120 or your 222. So you will check the hundreds place value. But now we are doing just till tens, so we will check the tens place value. We will check the tens place value. Here, see here, 85 and 59. So you will check this 8, that is tens place value t, and to, then and 5. So 8 is, don't see ones. You don't have to see ones until unless these tens are same. If I'm talking about 86 and 87, So now tens are same. You will go on ones. First of all, check the tens place value. If the tens place value is same, then go on ones place value. But if the tens place value are different like this 85 and 59, so you will check the tens place value. So 8 is bigger than 5. So 85 will be the greater number. Then 86, 87. Now 6 and 7 because 8 and 8 are same. Now we have to check 6 and 7. So 7. Getting this point? Please check your answers. Do correction. We always compare the tens place value first. If the tens place values are same, if the tens place value is 5, 5, 6, 6, then we go on ones place value. Until unless we will just check the tens place value. We will just check the tens place value. Getting this point, everyone? Then we have, so here few of you have done the wrong. You have taken 68, 58. So 68 will be the bigger number. 86, 92. 8 and 9. 92 will be the greater number. Getting this point? Okay. So whenever we are talking about before and after, see backward counting or before means -1. Backward counting or before means -1. Forward counting or after +1. So whenever we are talking about after, you have to do +1, +1. And when we are talking about before, that is -1. That is -1. Before -1. After +1. If I'm saying you 99, can you tell me after? Can you tell me after? That will be 100. +1. And before 98. -1, and between you have to complete the series 98, 99, 100. Getting this point? If I'm talking about before 72, before 71, -1, after 73, +1, 72 -1, 2 में से 1 गया 1, 7 will remain, 71 +1 किया तो 73. Between means you are going to complete the series 71, 72, 73. Getting this point? Yes or no? Okay. So in this particular manner, you are going to complete your all your modules till module 12, page number 17. Okay, now there is a last minute task, your practice work. So you're going to complete this practice work and you're going to send me this practice work before 9:30 today. Okay, so please take out your notebooks. So your last minute task consists of few questions. What comes before? So last minute task, what comes before 56, 78, 90, and what comes after 45, 34, and 23, and what numbers come in between 23 and 25, 89, 91, 10, 11. So you're going to complete this work and you're going to send me before 9:30 today. Okay, so do complete your work and do complete your work till module 12. So there is one more extra day to complete your work till module 12. Okay, and complete your last minute task. So we are going to write your diaries. So please take out your diaries, everyone, and mentions today's date. So you're going to mention today's date in your diary, everyone. Today's date in your diary. So, and in the maths column, you're going to revise till page number 17. You're going to revise your page number 17 till page number 17. Okay. So do complete your work. In next class, we're going to learn something new. Till then, stay healthy and stay happy. Bye.